Hello everyone, myself Yashraj Vaghasiya. Basically, I started my journey with the Careerline Foundation for IELTS coaching, and I got my visa within 4 days only. I'm going to I'm going for fitness and health promotion diploma, basically course for 2 years in Ottawa, Albion College, Canada. And so basically my journey was started with full of questions, and I came to know about the Careerline coaching and foundation institution with the help of my friends. So I came here, and all my answers are sorted, and also the staff here is very much coordinative and dedicated for their clients, and it's very impressive. One should definitely come here and visit the branch, and it is very happy moments for me to work with the Careerline Foundation. Thank you.